Imagine looking up at the night sky. Beautiful, isn't it? But what if I told you that on a specific date, Friday, April 13th, 2029, a 340-meter giant, an asteroid named Apophis, will blaze across that same sky, brighter than most stars, and visible to the naked eye? What if I told you it will pass closer to Earth than the very satellites that bring us our daily weather forecasts? This isn't science fiction. This is our future. This isn't science fiction. This is our future. Let's rewind to 2004. Astronomers at the Kitt Peak National Observatory discovered an asteroid, designated 99,942 Apophis. The initial calculations were alarming. There was a non-zero, albeit small, chance it could impact Earth in 2029. An object this size, traveling at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour, would unleash energy equivalent to thousands of nuclear bombs. The devastation would be continental, the consequences global. The world held its breath. For years, Apophis was the poster child for cosmic threats, a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability in the cosmic shooting gallery. Thankfully, with more observations, scientists refined its orbit. By late 2025, the scientific community could state with certainty, Apophis will miss us in 2029. It will fly by at a breathtakingly close, yet safe, distance of about 32,000 kilometers. But the story doesn't end there. In fact, for planetary defense, it's just beginning. This near miss isn't a crisis averted. It's an unprecedented scientific opportunity. Think of it as the ultimate cosmic laboratory flyby. As Apophis passes through Earth's gravitational field, our planet's pull will subtly twist and tug on it, altering its spin and possibly even causing asteroid quakes on its surface. By studying these changes, we can learn invaluable lessons about the internal structure and composition of these rubble pile asteroids. This data is crucial for understanding a subtle but powerful force called the Yarkovsky effect, where sunlight itself can gently push an asteroid over millions of years, changing its path in unpredictable ways. The 2029 encounter will be our best chance yet to calibrate our models against reality. The Apophis saga has been a catalyst, accelerating our planetary defense efforts from theory into practice. We've come a long way from simply spotting asteroids with telescopes. Today, we have dedicated programs like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office. We've witnessed the spectacular success of the DART mission, which proved we can physically alter an asteroid's course. And missions like the European Space Agency's Hera will follow up to study the impact crater, turning a kinetic impactor test into a wealth of scientific data. We are no longer passive observers. We are becoming active guardians of our world. Now, let's journey forward to 2045. The 2029 Apophis flyby was a global wake-up call. It transformed planetary defense from a niche concern into a global priority. In this future, humanity has established the Planetary Sentinel Network, an AI-driven shield against cosmic threats. At its heart is Guardian Prime, an advanced AI consciousness processing data from a fleet of orbital defense platforms and deep space probes in a command center buzzing with quiet intensity. A diverse team of scientists and engineers collaborates with holographic AI interfaces. They're analyzing real-time data from the Sentinel-1 mission, a craft that has been shadowing Apophis since its 2029 pass. Sentinel-1 is studying the long-term effects of Earth's gravitational handshake, mapping every new stress fracture, every slight change in its rotation. This isn't just about Apophis anymore. This data feeds Guardian Prime's predictive models, allowing it to simulate countless deflection scenarios for any new threat that might emerge from the darkness. The AI can calculate the precise force needed to nudge a future asteroid onto a safe path, years or even decades in advance. It's a symphony of human foresight and artificial intelligence, working in concert to ensure our long-term survival. This network is our species' commitment, written in the language of science and technology, that our fate will not be decided by chance. From here, we're not just looking at deflecting threats within our solar system, but dreaming up technologies to engage with rogue objects from the interstellar deep. The story of Apophis is a powerful one. It began with fear of the unknown, but has evolved into a narrative of hope, ingenuity, and collaboration. It teaches us that by looking up and facing potential threats with scientific rigor and technological ambition, we can safeguard our beautiful, fragile world. We are the generation that is building the sentinels for all generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time and space. If you found this inspiring, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Let's keep the conversation about our future and the cosmos going. Stay curious.